Welcome to my channel. Preparation for growing taro and malanga, and the plant requirement to get huge tuber. Taro and malanga do best with the soil pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. Taro and malanga do best with the fertilizer ratio of NPK 10-20-20. N is nitrogen, P is phosphorus, K is potassium. Green tree leaf, grass, dandelions, etc. contain nitrogen. Fishbone, crab shell, and eggshell, etc. contain phosphorus. I am preparing to make wood ash. Wood ash, banana peel, potatoes, etc. contain potassium. Taro and malanga need pot shade to full sunlight to do well. Taro and malanga require very warm temperature between 77 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Taro and malanga need a long, frost-free growing seasons and plenty of water. It takes 9 to 12 months for taro and malanga to reach maturity. Taro and malanga require at least 200 frost-free days to get decent harvest. On my next videos, I will start to grow taro from tuber. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.